Look what we've got here. It doesn't look like much, but it's a 5070 Founders Edition, and I thought the packaging was very interesting. They left it in all of the OEM shipping packaging. Let's see how they really package these things. Upside down, upside down. Such creative packaging. You don't even have a cover. Even the slot. And all of this packaging. Such a cute little card. Wow. Nice small form factor. That might actually fit in the office rig without a water block on it. Usually the coolers are so darn big. Yes. Little ports. Man, and it's heavy. It's classy packaging. I'll give it that. Quick start guide. Nice cabling.